Have you ever wondered why Porsches are so popular in Japan? A nation where some of the greatest cars were ever built. Yet in 2022 alone, over 4,000 new Porsches were registered in Japan, the highest in the company's history. To understand why, you actually have to go back to the 1990s, when Porsche was almost bankrupt, because the surprising thing that saved Porsche was Japan. Porsche's then CEO, Wendelin Wiedeking, looked to Toyota and Honda for answers, bringing Japanese engineers to Germany to introduce lean manufacturing. Within a few years, Porsche went from losses to profit, and today it's one of the most profitable car brands in the world. But here's the strange part. Japan didn't just help save Porsche. It started reshaping what a Porsche meant. Because in a small workshop in Chiba, one man was doing something Porsche purists hated. A quiet man, cigarette in his mouth, calmly cutting into a Porsche 911 with a saw. That's Akira Nakai. Before Porsches, Nakai was deep in Japan's street racing scene, running with the RAUH-Welt crew and modifying the legendary Toyota AE86. In 1997, he bought a damaged Porsche 930 and instead of restoring it, he cut it. He riveted on massive wide body panels and created the RWB. The new generation was obsessed with this transformation. So he basically changed the norms and has now reshaped the Porsche landscape. It's no longer about precision engineering, and Porsche isn't just a luxury car. It's a canvas. Germany engineered the machine. Japan turned it into culture.